Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can enable your dark mode on Twitch, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable dark mode on Twitch, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Twitch. And after opening your Twitch, next, I want you to tap your profile at the top left corner. And then go to Account Settings. And here on Settings, you will then be able to see the Preferences option, which is where you can change your Twitch theme into dark mode, so just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see the app theme option, so just tap this in order to select the theme that you want. And then you can now select the dark option to completely change your Twitch theme into dark mode. And then there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, your Twitch theme will now be turned into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.